So this is our lab 1 for all the students studying something related to computers, as you can imagine. It has 20 computers in here because we have a limited number of 20 students in each room. So this is where the family atmosphere comes in. And over here we have the latest technology. We have this beamer, as in almost every lecture hall. We have a flip chart. And if you wonder about this camera next to the lecture table, this is for those who want to attend from home because they're, for example, waiting on their visa. So they can attend the class from home. This is quite the opposite. It's our biggest lecture hall. It's called Lancaster. And again, it has the latest technology all over. For example, this smart board here. And as in every single room at Lancaster University Leipzig, it has air conditioning because summers in Germany can get quite hot. This over here is the possibility to divide the room in two. For example, if the lecturer has exams taken and wants to split the group. And over here, he could stand, hold his presentation, or he can sit over there in front of all the students. This is our sweet little lecture hall called Sandwick for 12 students. The lecturers connect their laptops to those huge television screens, which also function as smart boards, and they write down their formulas on this big white wall. And here you can already see what a beautiful view we have from this lecture hall on St. Nicholas Church, on the MDR Tower, and of course on our beautiful rooftop terrace. And last but definitely not least, our beautiful and bright winter garden for around 6 persons. Even this room has those 2 huge televisions to connect your laptop to, and the lecturers can write their formulas down here again.